Climb inside the 2008 Infiniti G37. With fewer than 35,000 miles on the odometer, this compact refuses to compromise. Infiniti made sure to keep road handling and sportiness at the top of its priority list. All of the premium features expected of an Infiniti are offered, including leather upholstery, front and rear cup holders, variably intermittent wipers, an outside temperature display, and power front seats. With high-intensity discharge headlights illuminating your path, you'll always appreciate maximum visibility. You and your passengers will enjoy the stereo system, which includes a CD player with MP3 capability, steering wheel mounted audio controls, and 6 speakers enhancing the audio experience throughout the interior. Infiniti ensures the safety and security of its passengers with equipment such as front side impact airbags, anti-whiplash front head restraints, and 4-wheel disc brakes with ABS. Electronic stability control ensures solid grip atop the road surface, no matter how challenging the driving conditions. Stop by our dealership or give us a call for more information.